It's wonderful to have everybody back. Thank you very much. This is the 8th session of Immersive AI Companion Design for Electronic Village Online 2025. I'm Helena Galani, the lead moderator of the session this year, and today is the 9th of February 2025. With us, we have Heike Philp, the Heike Philp, and the Jen Hamilton, and a lot of our participants who have been so creative and innovative, keeping their students' needs in mind and also their own ways of self-expression. Thank you for uploading images of your AI companions on our Padlet. You've done so much work. I'm so proud of you. Wonderful work. And you're such giving people. Ah, very good. I saw that some of you had queries about how we create, how we dress your avatar. So we're going to talk about this today. But for starters, let's continue from where we stopped. Tilly had been showing us her twins, and we wanted to animate them. So I've given you permissions on the golden carpet on the skybox, so you can all find material there. Now, Tilly, have you logged in? Are you here together with your twin? What do we call them? Doctor Who?
No, I'm on the Zoom. I haven't got
Okay,
into Second Life yet. Actually, no, actually, I just realized I'm on the wrong laptop for that. I've been marking and this is my work laptop. So give me a minute. I've got to
sure.
change to
No hurry. No
my
worries, Tilly. I've also uploaded Mr. Mark animated. Have you seen him? He's difficult to catch. Mr. Mark Z Animesh. So he's copyable, he's modifiable. You can use him as an AI companion. Just use your imagination. Let me share and show you what I mean. Jen, I do love your hairstyle today. Jazz, beautiful. Thanks. Ooh, very
Wow,
nice for the
wow.
occasion. Okay, here's Mr. Mark, looking exactly like him. I don't know why my mouse is not responsive at the moment. Okay, but you've got a lot of other NPCs here. And
And can I ask, the fact that they're dancing,
mhm.
does that help the AI companion or is it just fun?
It's just fun. It depends on the role you give them, of course. And
Uh-huh.
this is to show everybody that you can animate the NPC. It doesn't have to be a rigid statue, a non-moving statue. They can have movement. And also, if you have a look at the box, I've added more animations. So just by
Oh,
clicking,
fantastic.
hopefully they're all copyable now. I did my best to open up permissions. It takes a while because I've included a lot of animations in here. And next to the box, you can see how we do it. We simply drag and drop the animation you're interested in the contents tab of your NPC together with the animesh loop, which is non-transferable again, but I have actually forwarded it to you uh, separately, and I can do it again today.
So
Remember,
one question that might also concern the participants, are there avatars or the AI companions, are they still there? Are the twins still there? Are they, because mine is gone. Yeah. So
oh, why? Has it been deleted?
no,
I
it
don't
seems
know.
to be an automatic return because there's a lot of boxes on the platform have
Oh, I
disappeared.
see. I can't,
Maybe.
I think Tilly's twins were here, weren't they? Unless I'm
They
looking,
were, they no longer are.
unless I'm looking at the wrong place. Oh, yes, you're right. Well, why? Magar, you static? No, that's just
Can you hear
my,
me?
yes, Tilly.
Yeah, I was just going to say, oh yeah, you can see me. You can see Anthony. I'm on two laptops. I think actually that might work quite well. I had mine returned from somewhere else where I had unpacked it, and it's just like, so I think I'm expecting to only find one of them because I think I took one with me and then and unpacked it and sort of did some tweaking in Camino Island. So I had that one returned to me. So I'm just wondering whether that would mean that there was only one of mine here. I
Not
don't know.
quite. I can't see any.
Oh, okay. Maybe they've
I,
both
I
been
appear
returned then.
to be the owner unless they've been moved. Oh, there they are, Tilly, on the other side. I told you I was
Yeah,
looking
yeah, I can
at
see
the wrong
them.
side
Yeah,
of the platform. Here it is. They're both here then. So it's they are close to the start of the carpet. Yes, these are your twins. Yes, that's right. Owner, Idijot, you're here. And you've inserted the API key,
yeah,
the, the script, the max token, and the prompt note card on both of them, in fact.
Ah,
yes.
On
there
both
they
of
are.
them. Yeah?
I
Yeah,
was at the wrong end.
Yes, me too. I was at the wrong end too. So let's make a move. Okay. And I
And,
remember that they both responded in a different way about the same topic.
and
yeah.
that was
It's one
so
of the,
fascinating. That was really brilliant.
Yes, indeed.
yeah, because I put one of them was the original, exactly what we had originally said, and the other one I just made them into a history buff. I don't know why,
Mhm.
just kind of sort of randomly. But I wanted to give them the animation of bowing. So if I want to give them a different animation, I I'd much rather have a bit more of a kind of sober animation. And I don't want them to be a statue. I think you're right. It's nice to have them moving, but
Mhm.
I don't want them to be dancing that much. So what should I do?
I'm trying to find Carla. I'm sorry, Tilly.
It's okay.
I'm trying as well now.
Carla
Just I'm
GM.
yeah.
My general suggestion would be that if you want new animations for any character or avatar, that you look in the Second Life marketplace for free animations and you can search for them. There's a search box in the marketplace, and you can also use the filters to say that you're looking specifically for animations. And you could search for bow or
Well, I thought I'd done that, you see, and I did buy for one Linden dollar some bowing, but it turned out it was a different thing. It wasn't an animation, even though it was under the animations tab. So I just thought Helena was saying that she'd collected some, and there were some that we could
Yes,
add.
they still appear to be non-transferable, although I had
Oh, okay.
chosen full perms objects, and I don't know why this is the case. Sometimes it does not work.
So
Mm,
I'm clicking on the box. It says loading contents. What? And
okay, and then you open and copy in the inventory.
okay, it says it's still
search.
loading, so looks like it's quite big. All right, yes, here we go. So only copy to inventory, is that right?
That's
Is it?
right.
Yeah.
Yes. Would you like to share your screen, Tilly?
Oh, it says there are no. I'm not on the right laptop for that.
Oh, I see.
Sorry about that. it says there are no items in this object that you are allowed to copy. So that's the problem. I opened them all and they said there are no items in this object you're allowed to copy. If you like, I can get onto Zoom on this other laptop. Do you think that's going to be useful? It's just for
Sure.
me. I don't have to
Yes.
switch between screens then.
Yeah, well, we can always go to the marketplace. I'm on the marketplace at the moment, and I'm going to check what we can get for a low price.
So maybe if I went and bought it
Animations.
myself, then there wouldn't arise this problem of being transferable. Is that right?
Yes, because you will have permissions. You will have full permissions. What I'm looking for is for general maturity, cheap animations. Let's share my screen, and I can give you the link to my search if you want.
Hala, I sent you a friend request, a
Yeah.
teleport, and everything else. Did
Oh,
you
there
But
you
I have
are.
I
She's in front
have
of you.
accepted. Yeah. It seems well, I am inside. I can see everything is a bit dark, but
Are you here?
yeah.
Excellent.
Great.
Awesome.
Yeah. I just
I
have
always
to
change to
move
midday.
around.
I can't bear being in the dark.
Okay, if you want to change the environment settings, Carla, on the top left hand of the interface, it says world, and the very last option is environment, and you can change the settings from there. You can change to midday or sunrise, whichever is better for you.
Okay, just done it. Thank you for
You're
reminding
welcome.
me.
All right. So we were saying, actually, I'm sharing animations. Okay. Well, don't forget to select general maturity first on the top, and then on the left-hand side of the results, it says permissions. You can select copy, modify, transfer, and also do not show demo items. You're not interested in demo items. So you can refine the page and send your search. Oh, have I changed it again? Okay. So I suppose, yes, most of the animations are dancing ones, and there might be some more suspicious animations that you're not interested in for teaching purposes. So please keep in mind there is some nudity also, which is why this destination is not appropriate for younger learners. And it might be best for you to filter what material you give your students before they are forced or they feel the need to search on the marketplace by themselves. Tilly, I don't know what's appropriate for you. You can also sort your results by price or from low to high. Yeah, you can find maybe 0 Linden or 1 Linden animations. Well, you see, most of them are so funny. Perhaps you're just interested in an animation, a standing animation, or what might be more appropriate is a HUD or a pose stand.
I got the HUD. I got the bowing HUD. So I've already got,
Okay.
but I don't know what to do with it.
Okay, you
But
might want
I'm
to,
just having
can
a look.
you share?
Yeah. Looking at animations reminds me why I don't like second life.
Okay, it's very easy to use the HUD. You just wear it or add it. Would you like to share the screen?
But can I add it to my avatar? That's the problem. I don't want to do it myself.
Well, if you add it, then you will have the HUD in front of you on the screen, and you can select the animation or the gesture you want.
But isn't it that she animates her own avatar and not the twins?
Yes, that's right. Yes, and not the NPCs. That's true. Yes.
Yeah, so
So
that wasn't what I was looking for.
Mm.
no,
Just have a look. Yeah.
Okay, here I have some. Now let me see what kind of name these animations have, who the seller is. So perhaps I could point you to the direction of the seller, and we can download again. I'm just waiting for the contents to appear. So if I look, Ed Thor is the creator. Ed Thor. So I might as well visit his profile on the marketplace. Ed Thor animations. Nope. He doesn't seem to be available. Oh, actually, it's 1R. Maybe this is what makes the difference. 1R double D. No. Oh, Maria, you've created your companion. Very good. It's the triangle, isn't it?
Yes, the orange one.
The orange one, the one you've taken a photograph next to for Padlet.
Yes.
Okay, so it seems to me that almost all of the animations I have in the box are dancing ones, except for some yoga animations. Don't know if that helps, Tilly.
Mhm. I'm just looking at one at 180. I might get this one.
Maria's companion. Are you having a nice day?
Uh,
Sweet.
have you got the script? You need the script in order for the animations to work. So I'll send it to you again. Okay.
I'm actually starting all over again because my owl dancing, belly dancing owl disappeared for some reason, honestly. And it's not nowhere in my lost and found for some reason.
Oh,
So I have to start all over, but that's good.
why? I wonder why.
That's good. Practice makes training. Yeah, training makes practice.
Mhm. Okay, so I'm sending everybody the script because you will need it. So I'm sending it to Katerina, Carla, Heike, Ida Jot, and Maria. Are you in World?
Yes, I got lost somewhere on the island, so I'm trying to
Okay,
report
let
that.
me
Yeah, I might need
teleport
some
you.
help because
Sure,
I
I'll
need
teleport
what to
you.
do. Thank you.
So you're Ili Cass, is that
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
How do I
So
get out
with
of this
this,
shop? I can't get out of the shop.
And here's the script, Mariam.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anybody else who's not here? I think Johnny is probably logging in. And if you found any animations that we could use or you could share. Which are not dancing animations.
I'm looking.
Yes,
Give me
me
a
too.
second.
Keep refining my search. Prayer animations, daydream animations, sitting on the bridge. Yes, there are a lot of free yoga animations apparently for some reason.
Can't get out of the shop for some reason. It's just taking up my whole screen, and I can't find the button to exit because there's something, a little number in front of it that won't get out of the way. What can I do about that?
Static pose. Okay, let's see. I found a couple, perhaps. Oh. No, not appropriate.
Ah, that's what it was. I had so many notifications from before, it was blocking now, and now I'm back in. Right. Now, recent received items, 180 animation, full perm.
Okay, that's what
So
we
what
want.
do I do? So I've opened it up. It says there's a red
Ah.
box. Do I just double click the red box, or do I pull it? Oh, I seem to be wearing it. Okay, that wasn't a good idea.
Let me look at you. I'm still trying to find you.
I'm over next to the box of animations.
Okay.
So if I can just unwear the box of animation.
Oh, I see.
Silly me.
If you want to remove it, you right click on the box and you detach it from you. Oh,
Yeah,
there you are.
I did
Okay,
that.
it's very
It was
good.
just double clicking. I'm afraid I have to be very careful.
You've got, first you need to unbox it. To unbox it, you drag and drop it from the inventory onto the ground first.
Okay, yes,
And then you right click on the box
yeah.
and you only copy it to the inventory, depending what options you are given.
All right, it says take or take copy.
Um,
It says take it, shouldn't I?
Take copy, but what's the point? Do you have a touch option activated
But
or
edit, build, open, stick
open?
here.
Open. You need to
Okay.
open it. Open and only copy to the
Ah,
inventory.
great. Thank you. Yeah, that will do it. Yeah. It's loading.
Always learning.
Yeah.
Okay,
Still loading.
still loading.
Yep.
Okay, there seems to be so much here on this platform.
And I'm still looking for animations. Goodness. I don't know why I
Okay.
found them yesterday and I can't find them today.
All right.
And
Topic inventory. Right. That looks more like it. Okay. So
Yes,
now I have. Ooh. So it's
now,
got blowing bubbles, but cartoon snake loop dance, kick loop dance done. Double bounce walk slow, drunk fall, face plant,
mm,
floating, fluffy flippy dance of joy. There's some dancing here. Full recline, hand on hip, hands on head. I have problems. Stupid walk, sit knees up, sitting chair, angry
okay,
monkey, at the beach.
all right.
So I've got loads. There's 180 here.
Oh, so you can select 3 approximately,
Okay,
and let's go back to the twins. Shall we go back to the twins? Right click on each one of them
all right.
and drop everything in the content tab.
I've just got a whole load of animations seem to have opened.
Okay.
Are the animation thinker workout, worship the Lord, yatta yatta? Are they from somebody else or are they things I've just opened by mistake?
If they're in the recent items of the inventory,
No, they're just opened as boxes on my screen, but one on top of each other. There's 5 of them. It says play in world or play locally.
no, you don't need to open them yet. You just need to drop them in the contents page of the NPCs. You're not planning to use them on your avatar?
No, so I'm just closing them then because
You're
I'm not.
closing them. Yes, that's right. Yes.
Yeah, I'm closing. Okay, just so I know what I'm doing because it's taking up the whole screen. Right. Okay, back to the twins.
Back to the twins. Here we are. Okay, let me share my screen then so everybody can see.
Okay, here we go.
actually, Carla, I have given you an invite to the group. I'm
Right.
looking at the chat
Mhm.
here, and Carla is trying this, that, and the other. I have given
Okay.
you an invite.
Yeah, because I wasn't here last time, so that's why maybe.
Yeah, just tonight I've given you an invite. If you don't see it, click on the envelope at the top right-hand side.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm,
Idajot, you right
yeah.
click on one of the twins
Okay.
and keep the inventory, keep the recent items open in the inventory so that you can see the animations.
It
Okay.
would be better to see Idajot's screen. Is that not possible,
Well,
Tilly?
I'm on a different laptop. That's the problem. The Mac that I'm on in Second Life hasn't got Zoom on it. I'm on
Oh,
my
I
PC.
see.
So I'm in PC, and
I
the Mac
see.
is a little bit tricky because the sound card has gone, so I have to put headphones on for that one. So anyway,
Okay,
But you can
no
see
worries.
my screen on
yeah,
Zoom.
you can see.
So
You
all
can
you
see
can
the
do
icon.
now is simply keep
Right.
the inventory window next to, with the recent items, next
Yeah.
to the content tab of the NPC that you want to animate.
So I have to go I for
Right
owl.
click
Okay.
and
Right click on it. Yeah.
edit.
I'll get it. It's it. Yeah. Thank you.
Right click and edit and go to the content tab of the
Yeah.
NPC
Yeah.
where you have already inserted the API key, the script, the ChatGPT script, the
Yeah.
max token and the prompt, and just simply drag and drop the animations you want. They should be more than 2. together with the
Okay.
Animesh loop script that I have sent you. I can send it
Okay, all
again
right.
if you want.
Well, I'll just choose some couple of animations. Yep.
Mhm.
That's
And
great.
then before you close the tab of your NPC, you need to change something in the features tab.
Isn't that weird? Earlier. Okay, funny.
Right. And then I want to look at some. So how do I find the one that you've sent me back into recent? Is it?
That's right, recent. Script, you mean the Animesh loop?
Yes.
Okay, it must be on the top.
Okay, right.
Yeah,
So
if you can't find it, I can send it again.
it's animation loop. Yeah, great.
Animesh,
Pull that
yes.
in as well.
So you drop it in there together with 2 or 3 or 4, however many you want animations. And then before you close the edit tab, please go to features
Yes.
and tick the box that says animated mesh.
Okay. Got you.
There he is.
Yep. Done.
Well, if you touch him, right click and touch, he should start moving.
Right. I'm going to close that. Right.
There he is. Oh, that sounds good. That looks great, actually.
All right. So that's one
We,
of the, so how would I change that animation from?
again, you will right click, choose
Oh,
edit,
I see.
go to the content tab and delete or add more animations.
Okay, because but that was just one of the 4. I put in 4. So what I want to know is how do I change to a different one just to see what the other 3 look like?
You've got to delete them. Delete the ones you're not interested in.
Right, but how can I see the one that I want to see?
Oh, well, trial and error. You can
Oh,
try on.
it only does the one that's on the top. It only what does the first one, does it? Just a minute. Because the first one, it should be show hands, and then it was simple walk, strike a pose, and walk. So I don't know how it chooses which animation to do.
Well, then animations actually appear in a loop. That's the script about. I mean, I've sent you an Animesh loop,
Oh,
one
okay. So
animation after the other.
I will do one after the other. Oh, no, I see what he's
Okay.
doing. He's walking slowly now. Okay,
Yes.
sorry.
So it will
I just thought
try
he was
for a
stuck in
few
one thing.
seconds.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see. Now I got it. Yep. Okay, thanks.
Okay.
And now
You're most welcome.
he's
Anybody
changed
else?
size as well. How's that happened?
Perhaps it's one of the animations that you've inserted,
Oh, okay. Maybe
like holding hands.
right.
And he will spend a few seconds doing this before he moves on to the next one. If you want to move him to the next animation, you right click and select touch, and he will move on to the next one. There he is.
Okay, so
He's
with my
doing
other
something
screen,
else.
I can put some different animations in.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. I will
You're
catch
most
on and do
welcome.
that.
Okay. Who else is in here? Who else would like to have their NPC animated? Okay, Carla, you're here, but your NPC is a triangle, I believe.
No, I didn't manage to build anything. It doesn't let me do it.
Okay,
As far
why
as
don't we
I
try again?
understood.
We can try again and you can share your screen and see where exactly things don't get the way we expect them to. Shall we go to the other side of the platform, of the skybox, and select an NPC?
Mine is back and mine is all happy.
Oh, where's your owl? Is he next to you?
Yeah,
They are mesh and I can't see them very. Oh, he is like Mr. Bean, really.
he's Charlie Chaplin animation and
Okay,
some Irish
beautiful.
folk dance animations. So this is Charlie Chaplin.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, is he still owl?
He is still owl and he's
Can't catch
responding.
him. I can't really catch him. Uh, very
But
good.
I'll change it.
Okay, Carla, where would you like to start from?
I'm
Oh,
just
I see.
in front of C panel. Get your NPCs here.
Okay, that's just a sign.
Mm-hmm.
The NPCs are these characters that are on the golden carpet. Mr. Mark Z and
Mm-hmm.
this one here. What's he called? Doctor Who
Okay.
and Power Man suit.
Ah, okay.
You can right
Here.
click and take a
Mm-hmm.
copy. They're on the carpet. They're
So
dancing. Some of them are statues and some others are just moving.
I'm to click on the box animation and
No,
script or
no, not the box.
the
No,
objects.
no, no, the people, the
People.
non-player characters, the non-player characters. In front of you, you've got Mr. Mark. Can you see him?
Yeah,
And behind you, you've got this Mr. Power Man or whatever, this gentleman in the vest and the shirt, the yellow shirt. Or you can choose Doctor Who, who's studying here.
Okay, so right.
If you right click and take a copy.
Okay.
Right click,
and
take a
then
copy.
And I'm just sharing animations
Oh,
that
thank
are
you.
pretty stationary, sort of.
Okay. Like serious ones.
No Michael Jackson dances.
Okay, Carla, would you like to share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay, might help. I think it'll be better.
Oh, he's still dancing. Why is that? Funny character, honestly.
Did you delete the previous one? Oh, you'll have to touch him again. Right click and touch him so that the new animations come into effect.
Mhm.
Okay, Carla, you can share your screen on Second
Yeah,
Life.
I'm using another computer, so I'll have to give a permission. Just a second to share my screen.
Okay.
Okay. Oops, cancel. I think I should be able. Yes, I should be able to do it now.
Brilliant. You've started sharing. Oh. Oh, well, you can close these windows, the
And
animation windows.
so I'm
Yes.
here. So if I right click on this one, take a copy. Is that it?
Excuse me, are you on the browser or Second Life viewer?
Second Life here.
Okay, can you enlarge it? Oh, great.
I have it like this because
Okay,
I've
that's perfect.
been following you on Zoom and doing
A
parallel
lot of things at the
things.
same time,
Yeah.
multitasking. Okay, so who is the character you want? You want to
So
take a copy. All right, you can take a
know,
copy of
yeah.
Mark. Yeah. And now you can go to your inventory, which is on the left side of the viewer, the little suitcase on the side.
Yeah.
No, not on the
Also
top.
here, no, right.
The suitcase. There you are. And into the recent tab. Recent. Okay. Double click objects. Okay. And let's go and drop him on a different spot. Let's just go somewhere else, not at the same place. Can you move your avatar to another place? Okay. Okay, that's great. Cool. And you can just drag and drop Mr. Mark onto the ground.
Like
Yes,
this.
like that. Oh,
Oh,
can't res because the owner does not allow it. Use the land tool to see.
yeah, this was also the same thing happened with the box that I wanted to create the other day.
Okay,
I
Carla.
wasn't on Thursday. I wasn't with you, but I
Okay, now, so
tried to do
Heike,
it.
could you add Carla GM to the Edunation group if that's possible?
I have tried before.
Oh, okay.
So, Tunisian residents. Here we go. Carla.
Thank you. I'll
Please
give it
try
a
again
try.
then. Join first. You've got to select join,
Mhm.
yes.
Yeah, here we go. Thank you.
Thank you, Heike.
Thank you.
Katharina, we will do it together. No hurry. Um, mm, no, you
No,
don't need to sit. You've just can you see your let me have a look. No, you haven't raised. Oh, he's over there in front. No, he's in front of the fitting rooms. I can't catch him. I'd like to see.
Ah,
Yes, he's yours.
there.
Can you see him in front of the fitting rooms? Yes, that's right.
Here.
Here, yes.
Okay.
So you can now right click on him if you can catch him
Uh-huh.
and edit
right.
and go to the content tab
Uh,
of not of the inventory, but of Mr. Mark. No, not there.
mm-hmm.
The
Of Mr. Mark
content.
here.
No,
At the bottom, the window is open at the
it's
bottom.
under the inventory window now. You've got two windows together.
Ah, right. Okay. Here.
Yes, that's best to do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, content is the last tab. Yes. So you see you've got the animate mesh and the script, so you don't need another one. No, you don't have to do this.
Uh-huh.
And please go to the inventory now and find loop, animesh loop. No, sorry, you need to have
Script. Yeah.
yes.
Huh. Here.
No, that's not what you need now. You need, let me share them with you. I don't think
GPT,
ChatGPT.
the prompt, max token, and
So let me give them to you. Carla, GM. Here is the ChatGPT script that you will put.
can you click on show
Show?
at the top right hand side?
It's okay now, it's gone. In the recent items of the inventory, double click scripts and drag the inventory window near your avatar, your NPC window. Okay, and drag and drop ChatGPT, the script, into the contents.
Into the content. Okay. Here. Content.
Yes,
Correct.
down there.
Mm-hmm.
Well done, you've done it.
Okay, now I'll send you the API key next. You've done the first step. Hold on. The API key is next. Oops. Okay, I'll send them one by one.
Thank you for the
Here
patience,
you are.
everyone.
You're welcome. We love this. We love
Show.
doing
It is
this.
show.
Okay, please close the error window first.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, under show, but it's okay. Yeah, you can select show, and then again in the recent items, it says note cards. If you double click note cards, you will find the API key. You can drag and drop it in the contents tab, in the contents
Content.
tab.
It's the other one, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't need the
No,
note card.
not
You
this
can,
one.
okay, listen, Carla, you don't need the note card to be open. So you
Okay.
can, yeah, and drag and drop the API key note card into the content of Mr. Mark. The content tab. The content tab, not
Yeah, I
on.
forgot here. Okay, there it is. Good. So API keys content tab here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, don't worry about the message. There's an error because we've got to do a few more steps. So you can close the error message, and now I'm going to send you the maximum token note card. Maximum token share with Carla. Here you are, you've got it. It has arrived. You can close the max token note card, yeah. But
it's in the note card section here.
it is, yes. Drag and drop it into the content tab. Okay. Again, you see some error messages because we have to make a few changes. All right, you can close the inventory tab. We won't need it any longer, but go to the general tab of the non-player character. General.
The still prompt is missing.
Oh, yeah, sure. But let's go to the general
here.
tab. Yes, and change the name into owl. Remember, the API key you have is connected with owl. And back to the content, I'll send you the prompt card, which you can edit at any time.
Okay.
Okay, here you have the prompt card.
Again, okay.
You can close, yeah, and drag and drop it in the tab. Okay. Now let's double check. If you go to the ChatGPT script in Mr. Mark's tab, yes, if you double click that, it says you're an AI avatar, it's not an avatar, named Spike. Please delete Spike and write owl, capital O, owl, and save it. And then close it. And it should be working. If you go to the, please
You have to close it.
Close it.
Close the edit.
Okay. And you can go close to him and start chatting. You can also close the inventory box, tab, whatever, menu. Okay, let's see if he's the one you want to converse with.
I'm double clicking on it, but
no, you don't have to double click.
No.
You're using chat from text to text, and nearby chat, select nearby chat. Okay, and in the chat box, you can just start with the name owl and ask him anything you want without the comma.
Okay. Her.
It's okay.
What did he say?
Oh, wow. Interesting.
The max token hasn't been changed. Max token is still 300, I guess.
Prompt. And the prompt. Again, Carla, you can modify your character. If you right click on your new owl and go to edit, you will always you always have access to the prompt. Could you please go to the prompt and double click and see, okay, you are acting as an AI companion who is explaining how to make, you're conversing with novice users. You can change this. You can give him any instructions you want.
Okay.
What's his role? What students does he work with?
Okay, so
What?
I'll adapt it. But
Yes, that's right. You can adopt it
okay,
based on your teaching
interest.
circumstances and the
Mm-hmm.
target of the lesson that you want to teach, the
Mm-hmm.
level of your students. You can just make sure you mention what the
Mm-hmm.
objective. If you have a look at Totaler, AI Totaler, you get a lot
Yeah.
of ideas.
Mm-hmm.
You can modify while I'm working with someone else, and you can show us the results whenever you've finished. We'll be
Okay,
glad.
so this is the box I need if I want to change something, not ChatGPT or any other, just
No,
prompt.
the
Yeah.
prompt. You change the prompt.
Okay.
But
You
whatever you do, please do not change the name, because this is
uh-huh.
the name of the API key we have created on OpenAI. If you
Uh-huh.
want your NPC AI companion to have a different name, then we have to create another
Okay.
API key.
Okay. Okay.
And can you just
Now
double
I
check
understand.
with the max tokens, how many you have?
Must be 100. Let's see. Max token, can you double click on the node
Here.
card? Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
300.
300.
You can
Mm-hmm.
always change that too. If you want your AI companion to produce shorter answers, you can
Mm-hmm.
bring this down to 100, let's say.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
If you want your companion to come up with long answers, 300, 400 is a lot.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, great. No, it's just a lot of things have fallen into place.
Mhm.
A lot of question marks that I had yesterday and on Friday, actually,
It's easy.
I struggled with.
Whatever change you make to the max token or to the prompt, don't forget to save it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, there's a
Yeah.
save
So here
button.
is edit and okay.
Not
Ah,
this.
no, here I
You
start
just edit in the
here and then save. Okay.
save.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay, thank you so
lovely. If you have
much.
any more questions, we're here. We're around.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank
Thanks.
you for your patience.
Thank you too, Carla. And Katerina, you wanted help. Who wanted help next? Maria. Johnny had some difficulties with his computer. Katerina, you didn't build your MPC. Okay, shall we help you? Do you need any help? Katerina, are you there? Hello. Maria?
Yes.
Hi, Maria. Okay, how can I help you with your AI companion?
I was trying to uh, copy some animations from the animations and script
Yeah.
box, and I'm unable to.
Yes.
I'm
Yes, I know. We've just discussed it.
oh,
Although they are full terms,
uh-huh.
they appear not to be copyable or transferable. But Heike has just sent us some animations, so you will find them in the recent items of your inventory. And I can help you if you share your screen on Second Life.
Yes. Just give me 1 second.
Okay, Katerina, you'll be back. All right. Okay. You've started sharing. Right.
So my graphics are set to the lowest quality to make this faster, but
Okay. If that's not an obstacle with the objects, let's go where the NPCs are.
all right.
on the,
So here's
well, you may need to bring up the definition of your graphics.
will that interfere with the
Why don't we go to on the top left hand it says avatar preferences, okay, graphics, and choose a rather high quality and speed. Let me see. Yes, because it's very low. Please raise it a little bit to middle performance.
Okay.
Does it move? Okay, it's moving slowly, but it is moving.
It's taking a while. Sorry.
Yes. Okay, your Firestorm is not responding at the moment.
Okay, there you go.
I don't know if it can go a little higher, or are you going to crash?
Should I go higher?
If you
Well,
can.
if you can, yes. Profile preferences, sorry, yeah.
Are
Would
you
like
on
to-
a laptop, Maria?
Yes.
And is it a fairly new laptop or a fairly old one?
Probably 5 years old. So yeah, that's why I need to upgrade. For
Don't forget to save it.
yes.
Okay, just okay it. Did you click OK?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Still don't even see the floor, which is really bizarre.
Mhm.
Not save there, but click OK. Yeah, that's fine. And the draw distance, can you raise that a little bit?
Again, avatar preferences, graphics.
Graphics.
The graphics are high
Draw
now.
distance.
Grow distance is quite low. Might want to
Yeah,
just raise it a little bit.
just 200, something like that.
A little bit higher.
No, 200 is enough. And is it the max particle count that does make her see the floor? No, that's too high, way too high, sorry. Draw distance is 200 meters, fine.
200.
Yeah, that's the highest.
You don't have to bring it to the highest. 200 is more effective.
How much? I'm sorry.
200.
200.
Okay, 200.
That's fine. 290 is
Okay.
fine. And why doesn't she see the floor? I wonder.
It's not the viewer, right?
Are you on the browser?
Firestorm viewer,
I'm
I
in
think.
Firestorm, yeah.
Brightness. Things a bit different on the Second Life viewer.
Can you go back one more time to the graphics card preferences? Because I'm looking at mine and see whether what is the difference. Can you uncheck transparent water and uncheck ambient occlusion and select shadows none and reflection detail static only, reflection coverage manual only.
Reflection detail. No, you're still on the graphics tab. There's a drop down menu saying reflection detail.
Left on the left-hand side.
Yeah, there.
Yeah,
Static.
static only. On the reflection coverage manual only. Point detail, point lighting, sorry, full default. It's stuck.
Yeah.
Let's wait. It's just not responding for a few seconds. Okay, Katerina. Not much difference.
Yeah, no.
Strange, absolutely strange. Seems to be flying in mid-air. You don't see any floor. I mean, not that it makes much of a difference, but it gives you a bit more orientation. And I can't really see why you shouldn't see it. It
Sometimes you
seems,
have to relog for the new settings to come into effect.
yeah, that's true.
Would you like to relog, Maria?
Relog means close it altogether and just come it back in.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Katerina's back. Yeah, we've been missing you.
Okay, Katerina. While Maria is logging in again, would you like to tell us how we can help?
Oh,
How far have you gone?
so I couldn't work on Second Life because my viewer didn't work at all since Thursday. So and I had to work for the other group grammar. And yes, and now it works. If you want, I can share.
Yes, please. Sure, please do.
I can share my screen. So I am here and
Okay.
so
Brilliant.
I
Could you close
perhaps
those windows? The black menus, could you close them? Click
I
build
think
again on the top,
yes.
and then
This
from the cross and Nation 3. Okay. And if you move on the carpet,
She has front view, so it's a bit
yes.
difficult to walk. Yeah,
Okay.
but she's managing.
Yes, you're very well trained. Well, I prefer back view. Camera controls at the bottom. Can you go there? And choose the third icon, the back view. The man from the back. Okay. And you can close it. You don't have to save it. Just
okay.
close this window.
Yes. Cause okay.
All right. And the other one?
There's a problem. Okay. I don't have to save. Okay.
No, you don't have to save. And if you turn a little bit to the right, you can see non-player characters. Not left, the other side, the right. Okay, so you can see Doctor Who, you can see Mr. Mark, you can see what else? Mr. What's his name? Black Shoot or something. If you go closer to those,
Mhm.
they are mesh and they don't look very clear. So here you can either, which non-player character do you want? Mr. Mark dancing? Or do you want the one which is in front of the dragon box? There's another one, a big man. No, you walked past.
Okay, okay, this
Turn
one.
left. You could take this one if you want.
Mhm.
So also there is another one on the left of the box. Have you seen him? On the
Um,
not on the right, on the left.
yes,
That
yes.
one with his hands on his side, with his arms standing apart. So you could take the Power Man or the other
And this
non-player
one,
character.
the dancing, what are this?
You
Um,
could, whichever you want.
these objects. What are
Yeah.
these objects?
Okay, can you take one of them?
I
This
can
one?
take this one.
If you right click, if you right click, oh, apparently no, you can't take this one because it has already been edited. Take a
Ah,
stationary one that is not moving.
this.
Take this one. Yeah, right click the Power Man. Take a
Mhm.
copy.
Copy.
Take a
Take.
copy. Not,
Okay.
yes, there you are. And if you open on the left side of the viewer, on the left side of the viewer, you have a little suitcase, a bag, a suitcase. You click that, go to recent, yeah, objects, double click objects, and here's your Power Man. Let's find a clear spot to place your Power Man in his suit. You can go to another spot on the platform with the arrows on the keyboard. You
You
can
can
move.
walk back a little.
You don't have to close the inventory. Just leave it. But move your avatar back or to the left. Move your avatar
Right.
to the left. Find a clear space. Clear space. Okay, that's clear to me. And from the inventory, drag and drop the Power Man box onto the ground. Okay, there. There he is. That's
Ah,
your
great.
object. All right, now let's start. We are going to put some material in this non-player character. So if you right-click him, right-click the Power Man and choose Edit, okay, and go to the Content tab. Content,
Yes.
the last one. Oh, that's interesting. How many times will we find this? Okay, I'm going to give you the script and the maximum token node card. So let's come closer to you. All right, first I'll share the prompt that you can always change. So you can show or you don't have to do anything really. And okay, now you've got to have the inventory menu next to the Power Man's menu. So drag the black menu a little bit to the right. Okay, perfect, perfect. And close the note card with the prompt. You can close the note card. Yes, that's how we close it. Okay. And drag and drop the prompt note card from the inventory menu into the content tab. Drag and drop it. Yes.
into the inventory.
The content. In the content. There.
Here?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, please. All right, you've got the
Yes.
prompt. Now, if you double click the prompt, you can check. Are you happy with these instructions? You don't change the name, but you can change everything else. You can change what kind of an AI companion is this NPC? Is he a teacher? Is he a student? Is he a wrestler, an actor? What is he? Is he
a teacher.
a teacher, a literature teacher?
Mhm.
Okay, so you are acting as an AI companion in SL who is teaching. Give
Who
him
is
some instructions. Give him some instructions. Please change the prompt a little bit.
who's explaining how to make this
Yeah,
would be interesting
I'd like you
too
to
for me.
change this.
You are so this man that I created, he's explaining how to make AI companions in
No,
Second
no,
Life.
you can change this. Don't keep
Uh,
the same instructions. Change.
okay.
Something,
You're a
yeah,
teacher of German.
who's teaching German
Who's teaching?
to beginners. Okay. Uh-huh. Any other instructions? You can delete the rest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't need to keep the same prompt. You can change it. Okay, who is teaching German for beginners or to beginners? Full stop. What is this teacher's role?
Speak. Speak with beginners, or make conversation, or explain grammar, or
Explain grammar. Okay,
explain grammar.
you can give it any instructions you want.
Explain. Speak to the beginners, make conversation, and
Mhm,
explain,
mhm.
explain grammar.
Correct mistakes?
Okay. Correct mistakes.
Okay. Now I'm going to send you another card. It's called Max Token. Here you are. And I would like you to drag, not block, just show or close this window. Okay, you can close it, please.
I close this.
From the
Max.
little square. No, from the little square on the right, you close it. And you also close the note card, Max Token, on the left. You don't need the 300 number. Well, you could change it, of course. You could change the number. Katerina, can you see 300?
Yes, here.
Yes, please change it down to 100
Okay.
and save it and close this note card. Well done. Close the note card, not the inventory. Close the note card. Yes, save, of course. And in the recent items of the inventory menu on the right, recent, yeah, note cards, double click, Max Token, drag and drop it into the contents of your NPC, drag and drop it there, okay. Very good. So we have the max token, the prompt. Now I'm going to give you, what else is there to give you? Oh, the API key, the API key. I keep calling it API for some reason. Without this, your avatar will not be working. Again, in the recent items, drag and drop the API key into the content tab. From the inventory, recent, recent. Okay. API key into the contents. And the last item is the ChatGPT script. Okay. Yep. In the recent items, it says script. So you have a different folder, scripts. On the top, you have the recent items, scripts. Recent scripts. Can you see the folder? Double click, ChatGPT, drag and drop it. Yes, there. Okay. ChatGPT, drag and drop it in the contents. All right. Please double click ChatGPT in the content and make sure the name is not Spike, but Owl. Oh, it says you're an AI avatar named Spike. No, named Owl. O-W-L. Okay, please save this and close it. From the little, yeah, and go to the general tab of the MPC menu, the first one, and name it Owl. You name it Owl. And close this window. Close both of them, actually. All right.
This one
And
too?
that one too, yes. And you can chat with your NPC, but he's not moving. I can help you. I will send you some animations like model pose and a handshake. Okay, here. Okay. So again, now you've got to right click the man. Right click edit the man, not the carpet. Okay. Edit. In the contents tab of the menu, content, we're going to drop a few things in there. So please open the inventory again. The little suitcase on the left of the viewer. Yes, there. Everything is in there. In the recent items, it says animations. Animations, double click. Okay, can you see? You have a lot of animations. Drag and drop as many of these as you want in the content tab of your NPC character. Okay, you need at least two.
Oh, there's 2 times handshake.
That's
Why?
okay. It's because Heike sent them to you too.
Ah,
Both Heike and I have sent them.
Okay. A model pose too. What is it?
It's a
Nibble?
pose. These are animations. Drop 2 or 3 in the contents and we will see. Okay, and now in the scripts, can you see it says scripts animesh loop? Scripts? Not on the
Yes.
left. No, not on the left. On the right in the inventory menu, go down the recent items, down, scripts, animesh.
Yes.
Yes. Drag and drop it too. No, you
Ah.
don't have to open it. Close it, please.
Close it here.
All
So-
right, great. And drag and drop it in there. Perfect. You can close all your windows. And oh no, actually, in the left menu of your MPC, go to Features, Features, and tick Animated Mesh, the box. Animated Mesh on the left.
Yes.
Yes, this one. Tick
And
the
I
box.
click.
Tick the
And
box.
she still has to change the name in the
And the,
general, right?
I think we did General tab. Owl.
Oh,
Okay.
it is.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And you can close all the windows. Okay, we have to go closer because he's mesh and we can't see him very well. Can you go nearer? Okay. If you right click on the AI companion, right click
Oh, yes.
and touch, he will on the top, the first option on the top.
Touch. Okay, touch.
Touch. Oh, Katharina, it will force a reply from
I
ChatGPT
think it's
instead.
just ignore.
Ignore, yes. Yeah, I
Mhm.
don't know why. Ah, he has started moving. He has started moving. And you can talk to him. And you can write to him in the chat, whatever you want.
Here.
In the chat, nearby chat. You can start with owl.
Right message.
No, not
Just
close this one on the right. Please close the one on the right. Yeah. It's a chat. Can you see there's an orange box at the bottom of your chat?
okay, okay. I have to
Click
change
that.
this. Yes.
No,
Chat. Okay.
just click it. And in the nearby chat, just ask him anything you want. Ask him anything. What's your job? Owl, what's your job?
I always have to write
Always.
owl.
Yes. Owl, what's your job?
Job. What is your job?
Okay, let's enter and wait for him to respond. Oh, okay. It seems like you're interested in creating an AI companion like me. That's fantastic. I'll guide you through the... No,
It's
that's...
probably that we haven't clicked save, no? Of the prompt change.
Okay, let's see. If you right-click your AI companion again, Katerina, go to Edit and go to the Content tab and go to the Powerman suit, the box, second before the end. Right-click and delete it.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And open your prompt again, just to be on the safe side. Make sure, right? So he's not giving instructions about how to make an AI companion. All right, I think he's ready to use now. You can close these boxes and we can ask him and close that box too. Right, ask him again. How do we teach the present simple in German, or when do we use, I don't know. Ask any question you want.
But the that wasn't there, no?
Sorry, Heike? Okay. Now it's working.
Uh-huh.
If you want to make this chat box a little bigger, you can just drag it from the bottom right. Now you have two
At the corner,
open. At the
at the
corner,
corner, at the bottom
bottom,
right, there's a little triangle.
bottom right corner. Can you see the little shaded triangle on the right, a little bit to the right at the bottom, not
The very
left,
corner of the window.
not the conversations, the nearby chat. You're looking at the conversations. Please close the conversations box. It's confusing you. Okay, now there, can you see there's an arrow in the nearby chat? On the right of the arrow, the corner is gray. Drag and drop the gray corner to the side. There's a corner, the corner of this box at the bottom right. You're just showing us.
Da gibt es einen Pfeil und rechts unten, rechts vom Pfeil, rechts unten ist eine kleine Ecke, die ist so grau ausgegraut.
That.
Ja,
Okay.
super.
Okay.
Hey, the AI
Okay.
companion in Zoom says,
Mm.
please confirm the language you've just spoken.
Really?
It was difficult to see, yeah?
Exactly, very difficult.
The little corner.
It's
Yeah.
very
Oh,
little,
okay.
yes, not noticeable.
Mhm.
Okay, so Katerina, there you have your animated AI
Oh, thank
companion.
you.
You're
Thank
most
you so
welcome.
much.
Don't forget to right click and take a copy. Just in case he disappears, right click on the NPC character you have created. Oh, you can only take him, but you can't take a copy. Interesting.
And he's not really teaching German, so you might have to change the prompt again.
Yes, you have to modify the prompt.
Sorry,
Oh,
can I use it when I teleport to, or is it only in your
only
space?
in this space, unless you take it. You have to take it, and you will find it in the inventory.
Ah,
Yes? Let's try. Take.
take.
He will disappear. Go to the inventory on the left. Yeah, that's right. The suitcase.
Yes,
And he's there. Owl.
is there?
Under
Well,
objects.
under objects. Objects.
Object.
It is an object. Owl. And this is where you drag him from onto the ground. Whenever you want to use him, drag and drop him on the ground. Left click and drag and drop him on the ground.
Oh,
There he
no,
is.
sorry,
Yeah.
left. Okay, yes.
He's there. Don't forget, AI Toddler will help you modify your prompt. Your prompt is most important of all. Give your NPC AI companion details, as many details as possible about the objective, the role of the character. Thank you, Jen. Yes, that's really important. I think the trick, the secret lies in there, in the information you leave in the prompt. The target, who does the NPC act as, and who do they converse with? What are the aims, the objectives also? What kind of a task is it? And what style of language
Exactly.
does your
Exactly.
NPC produce? Thanks, Katerina. You're a fast learner.
No, thank you. You helped me so much because it's an aim. I don't understand why I have to use it or for what. I'm old class, you know. So
No, you understand very well. But now, are there any questions, any difficulties?
no, I couldn't work with, but I will return to work with this and
Watch the
to
video.
train to try
Try.
to use
Yes.
it. I
Train,
thank you so much.
train is a good word, Katerina. Train your AI companion by changing the prompt. Keep changing the prompt.
Okay, I will mark it. I will note it. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you
you so
so
much
much.
to you all. You're so
You're welcome.
lovely
You're
with
welcome.
your patience and with your
Yes,
explanation.
And you
thank
too.
you very much for everybody.
Okay, Tilly, thank you. I hope it
Thank
worked for
you. Yeah.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Anybody else who needs help?
Just wrap up for this week to come,
Yes.
and because it's past,
Yes,
so
it is
people are
1/2 past
leaving.
already. And this is the last session of week 4. We are entering week 5, which is the last one. So we still have 2 sessions to go. They're going to be practical. Next time I'm going to show you some more NPCs, AI companions in Kitely, and we're going to continue creating your preferred characters. Thank you very much for attending today and for being so hardworking.